Welcome back to my daily report market videos with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec on Wednesday, 22nd of May. Looking at euro dollar, which is again struggling underneath 11.75. This was the old floor from the March low that the market lost as support last week, and has since then really struggled to get back above. It is interesting that euro spiked higher yesterday on the Theresa May's announcement of a move towards a second referendum, or an attempt to potentially bring that into play, and then it pulled back again. So if the market failed at 11.85 area, and it's interesting that this came around about the levels at which, on technicals at least, RSI failing around 60 again, MACD lines failing around neutral. So turning lower, you've actually still got a trend lower in place. You've got lower highs, lower lows, and that's continuing the run that we've seen in the past week and a half. You are set up still to sell into strength, I think, on euro dollar. You got that reaction low at 11.40, which is initial support just a shade above that 11.35 area from the first week of May, which protects 11.10, but I still would say that any rallies are going to be seen as a chance to sell. The technicals are still set up very negatively to suggest that is the case. Momentum indicators, RSI failing at 50, going back towards 40, MACD lines crossing back. Little bit of a consolidation, you could argue, on the stochastics coming through, but as I said, any sort of intraday rallies are going to be seen as a chance to sell. You've got that downtrend at the moment that comes in around 11.75. Again, that old floor of resistance on the daily chart. So there is, I think, a continued consideration that rallies are going to be sold into to retest that 11.10 mark. Of the low from April. Below that, you're looking at 110 big figure, but this downtrend channel continues, and negative outlook remains in place. So I wish you good luck in trading, and I'll speak to you later.